So we've looked through the syllabus briefly. Now I want you guys to read an article that is titled Why Learn Algebra? I have provided a glossary for you guys that has a vocabulary on it. And I want you guys to pay attention to the detail in the article so you can understand what we might be learning this school year. I have taken my time to organize the text for you. It's still in the same order, but I've color-coded it to make it a little bit easier for you. The blue is what I want you to pay really close attention to. The red parts are things that we will talk about, but it's not really relevant to our class. Um, it's really cross curriculum. You might see that in science and other things. And the vocabulary words that I want you to look at are highlighted. You should be around passage 1, passage 2, or maybe passage 3 at this point. But if you're kind of stuck on what a fraction and parentheses and exponents are, just an explanation here. A fraction is to your left. It's basically just a number over another number, and that bar is a division sign. Parentheses is what the x to the 2 thing is, and then the 2 is an exponent. It's basically a variable raised to a number. You should be in passage 4 and 5 at the moment. To the left, as you can see, is a rocket propulsion. It's basically when you have a rocket and it goes up. That is propelling. That's another word for it, propelling into space. And then if you want to know a little bit more about Einstein's theory of relativity, there's a short video there that you can watch to better understand that. But it's not required. You don't have to if you don't want to. All right, so we should be wrapping up. So now we're going to move on to some questions that you will talk about among your groups, and then we'll come back together and discuss our responses. So first question, what are you looking forward to in this class? 2, did you enjoy reading the article? Explain. 3, name 3 things that you learned from the article and the support tips. So we just discussed our responses to the questions I asked you previously, but I have one more question. At the end of this school year, I have a challenge for you. I want you to write your own article stating why you should learn algebra, and that in those articles will be used for the future students. Are you up for the challenge? All right, that's all I got for you today. Let's make this a great year, and until next time.